Hello my friends, we are here in Dubai for the 9th course about aesthetic gynecology. We receive doctors all around the world. Today we have 12 doctors, very skilled, and we are talking about the new trend in the world. It's new in Hollywood, but not here. Here we began many years ago, and the trend is that how to touch, how to treat patients with those complaints in aesthetic gynecology with the best technology, the best knowledge for you.
So, what the principle is, whatever we can use for the upper pole of the body, we can use it in any tissue and any part of the body, coming from laser to hyaluronic acid, radio frequency, and other technology. On course, welcome all specialty, being a doctor in medicine.
I'm Dr. Múcio Porto from Brazil.
I am Dr. Rashad Haddad from Paris, France, and both together we will say,
Hello Brazil and hello the whole world. Thank you.